Friday night battle of the mics.
Chris Brown ordered to 130 days in jail.
Friday night mics.
Blows admits probation violation.
Ooh.
Good luck with that.
Yeah.
Oh
man.
Oh, sheesh. Oh, yep.
Ooh.
Oh, thanks. Oh,
No.
4 minutes.
Oh man. Oh!
Okay, stop.
Freeze.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
Oh, jeez. Oh! Oh, that's
Defenseman.
yeah, the other way. The other way. Holy shit. That was the best thing of the night.
Oh!
Oh!
3 minutes.
Man.
I think he's got a knee problem. Something's wrong with him.
Well, the defenseman or the
Yeah,
goalie?
both of them. The goalie's psychotic. You don't know who's good.
You got a blowout. Oh, jeez. Whoa!
Oh!
Jeez.
Oh, it was good. Whoa!
Jeez.
Oh.
Well, it's a light skip.
I didn't know if I was going to hit that shot.
Ooh.
Ah! Damn it.
2 minutes.
Oh, shoot.
Oh!
Man.
No! Kevin!
I don't believe that one.
Oh.
I think you don't have guys paid by the other teams. You know, you pay my guy off and I pay your guy off. I mean, you know, come on.
Who's betting on these games?
Yeah, no.
Oh, no!
That's a minor tipping. Woo!
Oh,
Got it.
No!
Oh, jeez.
Ah,
Oh, shoot. Now the typical Bruins run is getting rough to
that's
score.
right.
1 minute.
This is the twice in it.
Oh!
I'm cramping, man. I hate that. Whoa, jeez.
well,
Whoa! Get it out of here.
Oh, there it is. There's the dagger.
Now it's getting really ugly, yeah. Ain't over yet, but. Whoa!
no.
30 seconds.
Whoa! Oh,
20 seconds. 10 seconds.
that's it.
5, 4, 3,
You got me, man.
2, 1.
Good game.
His finger.
Yeah.